Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Stock Dude, back on the prowl again. In this video, I got two bangers for you to keep your eye on. These two bangers you need to put on a watch list. Don't let them out of your sight. Put them in the cabinet. Put them in a mason jar and twist the top real tight, because you don't want to forget about them. Because I think that higher prices are very near in the future for each one of these stocks. Now, one of these stocks is a retail stock, believe it or not. So retail seems to be getting back on the mend. People are starting to shop more and more, and as long as we can sidestep that Delta variant, I think retail is going to continue to perform well. Now, the second stock, oh yeah, this one right here is for those that like to gamble a little bit. So if you want to roll a dice on a stock that has a little bit of risk, but is down over 40% and it looks like it's bottoming out and back on the way up, I got two bangers for you that you need to keep your eye on. The first stock that you need to keep your eye on is for my gamblers out there. Where my gamblers at? Where are my investors who don't mind taking a risk? Everybody knows that the investors that take huge risks are the same investors that reap huge rewards. So where are my investors out there who don't mind rolling the dice? So if you're looking for something that has high potential price targets for the very near future, I direct your attention right now to the first stock to put on your watch list, and it goes by the name of Las Vegas Sands Corporation, ticker symbol LVS. Now, Las Vegas Sands is no need to really go into a whole lot of explanation on what they're all about and what they do. Everybody pretty much knows that Las Vegas Sands is all about resort, hotel, casinos, and gambling on the Las Vegas Strip. Now, its integrated resorts feature accommodations, gaming, entertainment, and also retail malls, convention and exhibition facilities, celebrity chef restaurants, and also other amenities. Las Vegas Sands Corporation was founded in 1988 and is based in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, right now, Las Vegas Sands is ranked as a strong buy stock by tipranks.com, and believe it or not, it has a $73 price target. Now, I gotta be honest with you, this stock does carry some level of risk due to the rise of the Delta variant. Now, as long as we can sidestep that Delta variant, and as long as we can not go back into another lockdown, Las Vegas Sands is getting to a point where I think it's bottomed out and is about near the point where it's going to start to turn around and go higher. Now, a lot of people don't even remember, but some months ago, Las Vegas Sands was trading over $70 a share. So currently, they're trading at nearly a 40 to 50% discount. Let us go to a Z chart. Las Vegas Sands coming in at a price of $37.55 per share. Now, me personally, if at all possible, I would recommend that you guys try to wait for a pullback before starting a brand new position on Las Vegas Sands. Because like I always say, it's always cheaper prices around the corner. But looking at the price action on the bottom of the screen, right here near the 18th of August is when big money investors started to actually buy and heavily purchase shares. Now, it would be ideal if you could wait for a pullback and possibly start a brand new position in Las Vegas Sands at around $36.50, right there near that support level. That'll be ideal. But looking at this price action and this volume that's coming in on this stock, I'm not sure it's going to actually pull back that far. So you have my blessing, if you so desire, after doing your own due diligence and research, to start a brand new position with Las Vegas Sands. And once again, looking at this daily chart right here, I see as early back as March, Las Vegas Sands was trading at over $66 per share. Right now, Las Vegas Sands shares of stock can be picked up for only $37.55. Once again, I would recommend that you wait and try to purchase this around the $36.50 mark. But if it does not pull back, because it looks like if this thing gets over $39, it's heading back up near that $60 range. So for those of you that's looking for something to put on your watch list to keep your eye on, LVS, Las Vegas Sands, that'll do you. That'll get you done. The second stock on the list goes by the name of Macy's, ticker symbol the letter M, coming in at a price of only $22.39. I must admit, when I did my scans to prepare for this video, I was kind of surprised that Macy's actually came up. But I don't really trade off of emotion. I trade off of what I see in the chart. So, looking at Macy's description, Macy's Incorporated is a retail organization that operates stores, websites, and also mobile applications under the Macy's, Bloomingdale's, and Bluemercury brands. Macy's is a retailer. Once again, I gotta warn you that this does carry a certain degree of risk due to the Delta variant. But it's not just these two bangers that I got that carry risk due to the Delta variant. Everything in the whole economy carries risk due to that Delta variant starting to kind of rise and show itself again. But let us go to a Z chart. Looking at Macy's, as I always do, I like to check my price action. Right here on the 19th of August, I see heavy buying came in and this price gapped higher. So Macy's blowed their earnings report out of the water and it's been going up since they reported earnings back on the 19th of August, just a few days ago. Now looking at this big green candle and this price action, looks like to me that Macy's is trying to go higher. Or should I say, it looks like to me that Macy's is trying to go higher. Macy's is a #1 ranked stock by none other than Zacks.com. Now Macy's has a $25 price target. Now I'm gonna tell you the truth. Looking at this price action on the bottom of this screen, all this heavy buying, Macy's has a $25 price target. But I'm gonna tell you, in my opinion, I believe Macy's is going a lot higher than $25. Because I looked at the option chain on Macy's, and Macy's has a lot of option activity at the $40 strike. Now, personally, I'm going to buy me some of those option contracts. I'm looking at the January $40, January 2022 $40 strikes. But if you're interested in buying shares of Macy's, Once again, I would always caution you guys to wait for a pullback. And looking at this support level, I see an opportunity for a pullback to take place to bring the price of Macy's down to around $21.50. It would be perfect if you could get in just over $21, maybe $21.25, somewhere between that range, between $21.25 up to $21.50. Me personally, I wouldn't pay any more than $21.50 per share, because this is gonna come back and get cheaper. But I think that this right here is a stock that you need to put on your watch list. Now, before I forget, I want to take the time to ask you guys that if you haven't done so yet, take the time to please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and also drop a like on the bottom of the page and leave your boy some comments. These two stocks are two that do carry a degree of risk, but they're two stocks that I see higher prices by the end of the year. I'm the one known as the Stock Dude. I hope you enjoyed the video. I ain't gonna keep you long. I'm gonna let you get on about your day, your evening, your night, whatever you gotta do. Hope that you come back and join the channel on the next video. I'm the one known as the Stock Dude. Holla at your boy. Peace.